case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1992 Vergara ex rel. Vergara v. Doan case, the Supreme Court of Indiana reconsidered the standard of care in medical malpractice cases. The lawsuit was brought against Dr. John Doan by the parents of Javier Vergara, who claimed that the doctor's negligence during delivery caused severe and permanent injuries to their son. The jury ruled in favor of Doan, and after an unsuccessful appeal, the plaintiffs asked the court to re-examine the standard of care applied in medical malpractice cases. At the time, Indiana followed a modified locality rule, requiring physicians to meet the standard of care practiced by similar physicians in the same or similar localities. The court, however, decided that this rule was outdated due to modern advancements and replaced it with a standard of care that would be exercised by reasonably careful and skillful practitioners in the same class, regardless of location. The court revised the instructions previously given to the jury to better assess Dr. Doan's care in treating and delivering Vergara's child. While the erroneous instruction was deemed harmless in this instance, the court recognized that it could be reversible in other situations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.